Welcome once back, ladies and gentlemen. This is my chart confession. Anyway, so I've been watching this pair NZD-USD for some time. It finally completed, but what I noticed in this situation, right, like this, is here's my possible reversal zone here, and as you can see, it broke the zone, and then the next candle, it reacted with the next candle, giving me some rejection here. But what I failed to realize when I first plotted this was that we had a nice little demand zone down here, which would make sense that price would at least come down to hit this level of this demand level right here. Sorry about that. So what I'm looking for is definitely some buys next week for this pair. We're looking at least a minimum of a 382 on this. So let's see, like right around there. I'm gonna put it where price is. So I'm looking for a minimum of 382 right there. Let's say price begins down here. It's about 271 pips. But so I'm gonna look at the hour chart. Let's see, let's just keep on and see how we can enter on this particular pair. Now you see that price came down and made a double bottom, actually more like a triple bottom here, and we are presently in an uptrend, as we can see. What I also do see here is maybe possibly an inverted head and shoulders. It would look a little bit something like this. Most likely it probably will come up. Let's say it comes up here. I'm looking for it to come back down here and then break out. This would be the neckline. So once it breaks, where it's going to reverse, to throw in some harmonics, we have a bearish bat pattern right here at about the 886. 886 is about right there. Let's just measure that out just to get some accuracy. It's probably going to go a little higher though, and wick if anything. So I'm going to be looking for some reversals around this area right here. Oh, look at that! Right around this area right here, and to come back down and to this area right here, or maybe even a little higher, and then break above. So this is what we can look for next week. Hopefully price will open with a gap up here. We can look for a reversal if we want to take it down, maybe 30-40 pips, and then wait for the buy signal for the continuation trade up. The next level of resistance I'm looking would be right here. At that level right there. We may see a little bit some resistance too right around here as well. So those are my two areas for this continuation trade here. We see that presently is in an uptrend. What it may do is make a double bottom. If I go back to the daily chart, it could go all the way up, come down, and then bounce up. It could. But I'm thinking maybe, because this is a zone as well, I'm going to start strong and then come down and then do a breakout up. And maybe not even come down, maybe make a higher low rather, and then go to the upside. But we can wait to see next week to see how that's going to play out. So that is my forecast for next week on NZD CAD. It would be a bullish move. So this is definitely a pair to watch. So Sunday, Monday, I'm going to see how it opens. Maybe Sunday, Monday, it'll be start here, come down, and by Tuesday, we'll be in full swing for targets. So that's my chart confession for NZD USD.